I'm still at Boroughbridge. I'm now waiting for the clock to chime 1. It's only going to be 1 dong. It's better than nothing, so we're going to wait for the chimes to ring out. I'll tell you what, I'll go down there so I can see the full building, get a bit of the clock chimes. It only does ting tangs. Okay. Yeah, I'm waiting for that to go now. At least the sun's come out now. So it does. Ting tang. Nice sound, isn't it? Yep. That's my number 3 clock chimes now. It's doing so well, so good, so good. So that's the clock chimes done now. 1 strike is better than not doing it at all. So this was our second tower. Now we're going to Boroughbridge, I think, or Boroughbridge, not Boroughbridge, somewhere else.